Good morning, students. Welcome to your maths class. Dear kids, in our maths class, today we will write numbers from 1 to 50. स्टूडेंट जैसा कि हम लोग पहले भी नंबर्स जो हैं वो ऑलरेडी लर्न कर चुके हैं. टुडे वी विल जस्ट रिवाइज एंड राइट नंबर्स. Start from the 1 number. Write here 1 in the box of 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and here's the 10. Write 1 in the box of 10s and 0 in ones. 1, 0, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. How many tens in 20? 2 tens in 20 and 1 10 in 10. 21, 22, 23. What comes after 23? 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Students, touch your writing with line. 30, 30. How many tens in 30? 3 tens in 30, 2 tens in 20. Now kids, turn next page of your copy and what comes after 30? 31, 31, 31, 31, 32, 33, 34. How many tens in 34? 3 tens in 34, 35, 36. What comes after 36? 37, 38, 39, and then our last number is 40. 40. How many tens in 40? 4 tens in 40. 4 tens in 40. 4 1 41, 4 2 42, 43, 44, 45. How many tens in 40? 1. 4 tens in 41. 4 6 46, 4 7 47, 4 8 48, 4 9 49, 5 0 50. How many tens in 50? 5 tens in 50. Now kids, it's your turn to write numbers from 1 to 50. 1 to 50 on your maths copy. Allah Hafiz.